Scenery. Hey kids, see how beautiful this scenery is. Now, fill colors in the scenery with your crayons and make it look attractive. See, isn't it more beautiful now?